Let's take a look at comparing evaluation frameworks. All of the evaluation frameworks incorporate Kirkpatrick's level of evaluation in one way or another. The most dramatic extension beyond Kirkpatrick's idea is the notion that HRD professionals should be concerned about the impact their programs have on constituencies outside of the organization. Some models differ from Kirkpatrick's in the way that they bring earlier phases of the training process, like needs assessment, design, and implementation, into the evaluation phase. Effective HRD involves many decisions. Having accurate, meaningful information available throughout the process can improve the decision making process and enhance the overall effectiveness of HRD efforts. Overall, Kirkpatrick's framework may lack explicit causal relationships among the different levels, specifically in dealing with different types of learning outcomes, and direction concerning which assessment measures are appropriate. Despite all the criticism, Kirkpatrick's approach remains a useful way to categorize criteria that an effective HRD program must satisfy. It's also important to make informed decisions about all aspects of the HRD program.